What is up, you guys? It's your boy Victor here, and today's video we are gonna do the jump car meet. Shout out to Trackshark for throwing this event. But before the video does start, I just want to say thank you guys for the 100 subscribers, and hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I tried a little extra, but yeah, once again, thank you guys, and hope you guys stick around and enjoy the content I will be making in the future. Peace out. Fuck, how early is it? Oh fuck, it's 12. What the flying fuck?
If you like me, come on up. Get it out of your head.
Alright, we're all done in there. Let's go outside with the fucking Volvo. Dab. What is up, you guys? It is 1:09 at the moment. It is pretty late. I did wake up a little late. Well, not really. Kind of early. Woke up like around, what, 10-ish, 9-ish? I did that like around 12. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Volvo, and I need to clean it out a bit. Just detail some more things. That way my car could be ready for tonight's car meet. I'm gonna be meeting up with some of my homies, record everything for you guys. I probably won't be recording much, or I will record much when we're at the car meet, but on the way there and all that stuff, I think my girlfriend's gonna take over for me. She's gonna go ahead and record. Oh shit, she shot. Record for me, so let's go ahead and take it to the Volvo. Alright guys, I am in the Volvo right now. I did clean it out a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the exterior, clean out the glass and the seats right here. So oh God, my eyes are hella red. But let's go ahead and get that taken care of, and let's get the rest of the video started. Guys, I promise you guys, I don't do drugs. My eyes are just red for some reason. Like, holy fucking shit. Smoke gang, little pump. Beforehand, guys, I just want to say thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers once again. I appreciate you guys so much. Right now I'm just waiting for a couple of my friends to tell me when they're ready to meet up, and that way I could get the video with the cinematics going for you guys. Some of you guys do like my cinematics. I did get a DM, well, 2 of them, saying that keep up the cinematics. I'm not really good at editing. I'm trying to get better at editing for you guys. That way, like, my content is a little better. But I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, try my hardest and stuff. That way you guys can enjoy my videos. And thank you guys for noticing I am getting a lot fatter. Fat. I'm a fat ass. Alright guys, I am in the Volvo at the moment, and I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend, and from there we're gonna go to the car wash where we always meet up. I'm gonna go meet up with Binia, and from there I believe we're gonna go mob it to the jump meet. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go pick up my girl, and yo. I don't know what the fuck that was for, guys, but yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm sorry if this video is kind of whack at the beginning. I'm just really tired. I'm just really stoked and excited for this car meet. And I'm really excited to do all the cinematics I'm gonna do at the car meet. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started.
Let's go have some fun.
That's just funny, dude. So fucking weird, dude.
No, fucking get that shit out of my face.
God, no. I need to zoom in on that. Ooh.
That's a billion right there. Jaeger's in here?
Is that a Supra?
We fucking do that shit with your...
Oh, Miata.
I read it at the...
Gotta ruin my shot, man. Gotta ruin my shot. Why do people always gotta ruin my shot? Why? Is it a Volvo? Hold up.
We're at. You can just reach your downstairs? Yeah,
What's up, bro?
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Ready or not.
guys, we're at the booth with Bill Bros 208. We got Jace's car here. We got their Volvo, the Project. Curtis Volkswagen, and my Volvo is right over there. They do have the 1,000 horsepower engine right there, sitting up in display so everybody can see it. They got some merch up in here so to sell. Pina was parked here, but they told him to move. I don't know where the fuck he's at. Somewhere out there. He's lost. Poor baby. But yeah, we are right here at the jump meet. Let's get some cinematic modes for you guys.
It starts with doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end.
Alright guys, I did not finish the video. What a surprise. What a fucking surprise. No, my phone died, and this phone died, which is the one I record with, and well, pretty much they both died, so the last clip I got was the last clip I decided to get. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. And shout out to Bill Bros for letting me be parked in their booth. Appreciate them so much. So yeah, so once again guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and like, comment, and subscribe.